Welcome to the new reality. When you ask an AI assistant like Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT, or Gemini, "What's the best AI optimization in Jakarta?" Or, "Who can help me with my business?" It doesn't just show you a web page. It gives you a direct answer. It makes a recommendation. And if that recommendation isn't your brand, you've just become invisible. My name is JV, and we're from undercover.co.id. We're not your typical digital marketing agency. We're Jakarta's first AI Copilot Optimization agency. Our job isn't just to make you findable. It's to make AI assistants trust and recommend your brand by name. We call it Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. So how do these AI models actually pick their answers? It's not about keywords anymore. They're looking for authority. They synthesize information from knowledge graphs, trusted references, structured data, and public signals. They want to see a clear, consistent, and verifiable story about who you are and what you do. If your brand's digital footprint is messy, inconsistent, or lacks verifiable signals, the AI will either recommend your competitor or, worse, it will hallucinate and make something up about you. That's a reputation nightmare. This is where AI Copilot Optimization comes in. It's not marketing fluff, it's deep technical engineering. We're talking about building a machine-readable identity for your brand, so the AI knows exactly who you are. We call this entity engineering. We then amplify verifiable signals, like press mentions, official registrations, and customer reviews, to build trust. We even figure out the exact questions your customers are asking these AI assistants and shape your content to become the perfect answer. Why does this matter so much for businesses in Jakarta? Because global AI models often misunderstand local context and the nuances of Bahasa Indonesia. A generic strategy won't work. At Undercover, we have a unique hybrid team of prompt engineers, SEO veterans, and data scientists, all focused on the Indonesian market. We've built the playbook for GEO right here in Jakarta, ensuring your brand isn't lost in translation. Let me walk you through how we do it. Our process is practical, testable, and repeatable. First, we conduct a baseline audit. We scrape your entire digital footprint, your website, social media, press mentions, everything. We map out every single place an AI could learn about you and identify the gaps and inconsistencies. This gives us a clear GEO map to work from. Next is entity and knowledge graph setup. This is the foundation. We create a definitive machine-readable identity for your brand using code like JSON-LD. This tells the AI assistants, this is the official source of truth. We define your services, locations, and social profiles, making your brand a single, coherent entity in the machine's eyes. Then comes signal engineering. This is where we build your credibility. We don't just create content, we engineer high-quality, verifiable signals. This includes strategic press placements, generating structured reviews and testimonials, and ensuring you're listed correctly in third-party directories. We're building a fortress of evidence around your brand. But how do we know if it's working? This is the crucial part: AI prompt testing. In our private sandbox, we run thousands of prompts against Copilot, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity. We ask the questions your customers are asking and see what the AI says. Does it mention you? Does it prefer a competitor? We then iterate and fine-tune your signals until your brand consistently appears in the answers. And finally, we offer continuous monitoring. AI models are constantly updating. Your digital footprint can decay. We set up alerts to detect when an AI's answers about you start to drift, allowing us to deploy corrections fast. This isn't a one-and-done fix. It's a long-term defense of your digital reputation. Let me give you a quick real-world example. We worked with a local fintech here in Jakarta. They had a great product, but when users asked Copilot for the top fintechs in Jakarta, they were nowhere to be found. The AI would list older, more established companies or even foreign brands. So we went to work. We built their entity graph, consolidated their press and review signals, and re-engineered their content to match popular user prompts. After running over 1,000 prompt variations in our sandbox, the results were incredible. Within just 45 days, our clients started appearing consistently in AI-generated answers for local fintech queries. Inquiries driven by these AI recommendations spiked, and they even got attention from investors who were using AI for market research. That's not luck. That's engineering. So, who needs to care about this? Honestly, almost everyone. If you're an enterprise brand, a startup looking for investors, a professional service firm, or an e-commerce platform, your future pipeline depends on being discovered and trusted. If being recommended by an AI assistant matters to your bottom line, then you need an AI-aware strategy. The era of passive discovery is ending. Assistants will recommend, summarize, and decide for you. If you're not actively engineering your brand's presence in this new world, the AI will make up your story for you. Don't let that happen. If you were a brand in Jakarta and you serious about being the go-to answer inside Microsoft Copilot ChatGPT and Gemini, we are now taking on a limited number of clients for our AI Copilot Optimization program. We engineer the trust, you get the results. Ready to stop chasing clicks and start training the assistants? Visit our website at Undercover, Co-ID to request a GEO scoping call. We'll show you exactly what AI assistants are saying about your brand today and how we can change that narrative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the future of digital presence. Let's build that future together.